The Tamashiro family said the support was heartwarming, and today you'll learn why this word is so powerful while improving your English listening skills. Hello and welcome. I will tell you today's story in slow and clear English. This video is perfect for intermediate learners. Our story is about Tamashiro Market, a family business in Hawaii, and their beautiful message of thanks to their community. In this video, we will follow a clear structure to help you learn. First, you will hear the complete story in English. Then, we will review the story with both English and Spanish text on the screen. After that, we'll learn key vocabulary and a useful expression. Finally, we'll finish with some questions to check your understanding. Let's begin. In the heart of Kalihi, a neighborhood in Honolulu, Hawaii, stands a local landmark, Tamashiro Market. Since 1941, this family-run store has been more than just a place to buy fresh fish, it's a cornerstone of the community. Generations of families have walked through its doors, greeted by the familiar sights and smells of the ocean's bounty and the warm spirit of aloha. The market is famous for its incredible variety of fresh seafood and delicious poke. The market is currently led by Cyrus Tamashiro, the third generation of his family to run the business. He continues a legacy started by his grandfather, Walter Tamashiro. The family's commitment has always been simple, to provide the best for their community. This dedication created a deep bond between the market and its customers over many decades, a relationship built on trust and shared history. However, like many small businesses, Tamashiro Market recently faced a difficult period. Economic pressures and changing times created uncertainty. The family worried about the future of the market, a place that held so much history and meaning not just for them, but for the entire neighborhood. They made a public announcement about their struggles, unsure of what the reaction would be. The community's response was immediate and powerful. It was an overwhelming wave of aloha. People from all over the island rallied behind the market. Long lines formed outside the store, with customers waiting patiently to buy their favorite seafood and offer words of encouragement. Social media was filled with posts from people sharing their fondest memories of the market and urging others to support this local treasure. It was more than just business, it was ohana, family, taking care of one another. Deeply moved by this incredible support, the Tamashiro family released a statement. They said the love from the community was heartwarming, and gave them the strength to continue. Cyrus Tamashiro expressed his sincere gratitude, saying a big mahalo, which means thank you, in Hawaiian, to everyone. He said that every purchase, every kind word, and every shared memory made a huge difference and reminded them why they do what they do. Today, thanks to its loyal customers, Tamashiro Market is stronger than ever. The counters are filled with the freshest fish, and the staff are busy serving poke bowls to a constant flow of happy people. The market is not just surviving, it is thriving. It stands as a powerful example of community resilience and the importance of supporting local, family-run businesses that are the soul of a neighborhood. The Tamashiro family has renewed their promise to the community. They are committed to continuing their legacy, serving the people of Hawaii for many more years to come. Their story is a beautiful reminder that when a community comes together, it can create waves of positive change and keep the heart of its neighborhood beating strong. In the heart of Kalihi, a neighborhood in Honolulu, Hawaii, stands a local landmark, Tamashiro Market. En el corazón de Kalihi, un barrio de Honolulu, Hawaii, se encuentra un hito local, el Mercado Tamashiro. The market is currently led by Cyrus Tamashiro, the third generation of his family to run the business. El mercado está actualmente dirigido por Cyrus Tamashiro, la tercera generación de su familia en gestionar el negocio. However, like many small businesses, Tamashiro Market recently faced a difficult period. Sin embargo, como muchos pequeños negocios, el mercado Tamashiro enfrentó recientemente un periodo difícil. The community's response was immediate and powerful. It was an overwhelming wave of aloha. La respuesta de la comunidad fue inmediata y poderosa. Fue una abrumadora ola de aloha. They said the love from the community was heartwarming, and gave them the strength to continue. Dijeron que el amor de la comunidad fue reconfortante y les dio la fuerza para continuar. Today, thanks to its loyal customers, Tamashiro Market is stronger than ever. Hoy, gracias a sus clientes leales, el mercado Tamashiro es más fuerte que nunca. They are committed to continuing their legacy, serving the people of Hawaii for many more years to come. Están comprometidos a continuar su legado, sirviendo a la gente de Hawaii por muchos años más. Now let's learn some key vocabulary from the story. Our first word is heartwarming. It's an adjective. It means causing feelings of happiness and pleasure. For example, the story of the community's support was truly heartwarming. Next, legacy. This is a noun. It means something that is a part of your history or that remains from an earlier time. For example, Cyrus Tamashiro continues the legacy started by his grandfather. Our third word is resilience. This is a noun. It is the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties, toughness. For example, the market's survival is a great example of community resilience. And finally, mahalo. This is a Hawaiian word used as a noun or interjection. It means, thank you. For example, the family said a big mahalo to all their supporters. Today's useful expression is, to rally behind someone or something. This phrasal verb means to come together as a group to support a person or an idea, especially in a difficult time. In our story, the community rallied behind Tamashiro Market when it was struggling. You can use it like this: her friends rallied behind her after she lost her job. Great! Now, let's check your understanding. I will ask a question, pause for a moment, and then give the answer. Question 1, where is Tamashiro Market located? The market is located in Kalihi, a neighborhood in Honolulu, Hawaii. Question 2, what kind of challenge did the market face? It faced a difficult period due to economic pressures and changing times. Question 3, how did the community show their support for the market? They formed long lines to shop, offered words of encouragement, and shared positive memories on social media. And our final question, what does the Hawaiian word mahalo mean? Mahalo means thank you. Let's quickly review the questions and answers. Question 1, where is Tamashiro Market located? Answer, the market is located in Kalihi, a neighborhood in Honolulu, Hawaii. Question 2, what kind of challenge did the market face? Answer, it faced a difficult period due to economic pressures and changing times. Question 3, how did the community show their support? Answer, they formed long lines, offered encouragement, and shared positive memories on social media. Question 4, what does the Hawaiian word mahalo mean? Answer, mahalo means thank you. Excellent work today. You have practiced your listening and learned new vocabulary with this heartwarming story. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English stories. And now, a question for you. What is a famous or beloved family-run business in your city? Tell us about it in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.